Ditch the fumbling and embrace the future of travel in London with your Oyster card right on your Android phone. First things first, make sure you have the Google Pay app installed on your Android device. If you don't, head over to the Google Play Store and download it. Once installed, open the Google Pay app. You'll likely be prompted to set up a payment method if you haven't already for adding your Oyster card. This isn't strictly necessary, but it's good to do. Navigate to the card section, usually found at the bottom. Tap the Add to Google Pay or the plus sign from the options. Choose Transport Card. Now, you will likely see a list of supported transport cards. Select Oyster. This is where the magic happens. You may see options to import an existing Oyster card or to create a new one. If you want to add your current physical card, choose the Import Existing Card option. You will most likely be prompted to hold your Oyster card near your phone. Ensure your phone has NFC Near Field Communication enabled, which allows it to read the data from your physical card. The location of the NFC reader varies depending on your phone model, which is usually located at the top or back center of the phone. Hold your Oyster card to the back of your phone until Google Pay recognizes it and imports your card information. Depending on your card, you may be asked to verify the details like name, phone number, and card number. Once your card is imported, Google Pay will take a few seconds to set it up. You might be asked to agree to the terms and conditions. After that, your Oyster card will now be added to your Google Pay wallet. You can now tap and go on the tube, bus, or other London transport. Enjoy the hassle-free journey.